Hi, my name is Ananya Divakar. I'm from India and I'm in the 12th grade studying in Global Indian International School, Dubai. I've recently completed my certification of Arts and Design, specialized in graphic design, interior design, and photography. Before I joined this course, I was always interested in the design field, but I had no idea how to explore or where to begin. And joining this course, I've had an amazing experience. I'm more exposed to the different areas of design. The faculty at Explore Education have been extremely supportive and encouraging throughout the entire course. They've been very approachable and have provided me with helpful feedback and have motivated me by pushing my creativity. And by the end of the course, I've been much more confident with my creative abilities, and I've found out the different domains of design, and I'm so much more confident now. I would definitely recommend everyone to join this course at Explore Education for those who are interested in design and to learn it in a much more structured and inspiring way. Thank you.